Good morning, students. Last time we had seen some properties of matrix multiplication: commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. Matrix multiplication is distributive over addition. Matrix multiplication is associative. But matrix multiplication is not commutative generally. That is commutative only for the diagonal matrices. I am going to explain about a very important property of matrix multiplication, that is existence of multiplicative identity. On the numbers, what is the multiplicative identity? That is 1. Why? Because if we take any number, any real number, suppose that 5, so when we multiply 5 with 1, that is 1 into 5. Here, this 1 is right identity because it put here on the right side, and 1 is left identity here, and both that is equal to 5. That's why in junior classes, in the previous classes, you have listened that 1 is multiplicative identity and 0 is additive identity on the real numbers. Why? Because why 0 is additive identity? In any number, when we add 0, either left or right, we will get the same result. In the same way, 1 is multiplicative identity because when we multiply 1, either left or right of any number for the set of real numbers, that is equal to the same number. 2 into 1 is equal to 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. That's why 1 is multiplicative identity. In the same way, in the case of matrix multiplication, is there any matrix which when multiply in any matrix either on the right or left give the same matrix? See, for example, A is any matrix, then is there any matrix which when multiply on the right or left of the A get the same result A? Yes. For every square matrices, listen carefully everyone, for every square matrices means that matrix whose number of rows and number of columns are same, means if a matrix A is of order n, that is a square matrix, means number of rows and number of columns in A is same, that is n, means order of that matrix is n by n. For every square matrix there exists an identity, there exists a matrix that is called identity matrix of the same order. Actually, we have discussed the identity matrix. What is the identity matrix? That is a square matrix, which is also diagonal matrix, whose diagonal entries are 1 and other entries are 0. Okay. So, for every square matrix A, there exists an identity matrix I of the same order. Means if A is of order n by n, then I means identity matrix will be also of order n, means n by n. There exists such that A into I is equal to I into A, that is equal to 1. I am going to verify this. So pause this video and note down this. For any square matrix of order n, there exists an identity matrix In. In is what? An identity matrix of order n. That is the same order of the given matrix, such that AI is equal to IA equal to A. You can see here I is what? Right identity, and here I left identity. And when any matrix satisfy both, means left and right both identity, then that will be called identity matrix generally. For any case, if right identity exists, left identity does not exist, then that value, that matrix, whatever that set, जहां भी जो जैसे भी आता है, नंबर्स पे आता है तो नंबर रहता है, मैट्रिक्स पे आता है तो मैट्रिक्स रहता है, सेट पे रहता है तो सेट रहता है। जब वो लेफ्ट और राइट दोनों कंडीशंस को सेटिस्फाई करता है तभी हम उसको जनरली कहते हैं कि वो आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स है। अदरवाइज हमको नाम लेना पड़ता है कि दैट इज राइट आइडेंटिटी एंड दैट इज लेफ्ट आइडेंटिटी। फॉर एग्जांपल, सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए, नंबर्स पे सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए 2 है, -0 दैट इज 2 आएगा। सो दिस 0 इज राइट आइडेंटिटी फॉर द सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑन द रियल नंबर्स। बट 0 आप देखो लेफ्ट आइडेंटिटी नहीं है, बिकॉज 0 - 2 इज नॉट इक्वल टू 2, तो लेफ्ट आइडेंटिटी नहीं। दैट्स व्हाई 0 इज नॉट कॉल्ड आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट फॉर द सब्ट्रैक्शन। राइट आइडेंटिटी है बट इट इज नॉट लेफ्ट आइडेंटिटी, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज नॉट कॉल्ड आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट। गॉट इट एवरीवन? मींस फॉर बीइंग an identity element for particular operation for particular set, it must be satisfy both left and right both. Got it everyone? Now I am going to verify this, that for any set which is square of any order, there will be a identity matrix of the same order which satisfy this condition. Means that will be identity element, multiplicative identity for that set. Consider a set A. Consider an example. Consider a set A that is 2 by 2 कर लेते हैं, 2 1 3 -1. Okay, so you can see this is a square matrix of order 2 by 2. So consider I of order 2 by 2 means 1 0 0 1, that will be the identity I2 actually. Okay, now find out AI. So what will become, this is 2 1 3 -1 and this is 1 0 0 1, so it will be equal to, see, 2 into 1 that is 2 plus 1 into 0 that is 0, 2 into 0 that is 0 plus 1 into 1 1, 3 into 1 that is 3, minus 1 into 0 0, 3 into 0 0, minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Okay, so it will become, this is 2 plus 0 2, 0 plus 1 1, 3 plus 0 3, 0 minus 1 minus 1. So you can check, this is actually equal to A. Okay, means A into I is A. Now find out IA. I am going to check that this is left identity or not. From here it is clear that it is right identity. I is right identity. I am going to check that this is left identity or not. This is 1 0 0 1 and A is, this is 2 1 3 minus 1. So what will become, that is, see, 1 into 2 2 plus 0 into 3 0, 1 into 1 1, 0 into minus 1 0. Okay, now 0 into 2 0 plus 1 into 3 3, 0 into 1 0, 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so it will become 2 plus 0 2, 1 plus 0 1, 3 plus 0 3 and 0 plus minus 1, that is minus 1. Actually this is A, you can see. Clearly I into A is also A. So from this one and from this one, what do you conclude? It is clear that AI equal to IA, that is equal to A. Clearly I is what? Is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity for any square matrix A of the same order. Okay, now I am going to give you verification of this one by taking a matrix, a square matrix of order 3. consider another example. A, this is 1 2 0 minus 1 3 3 2 1 minus 1. Okay, so this is a square matrix of order 3. Now consider I, that is of order 3, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, now find out AI. So what will be? It will be 1 2 0 minus 1 3 3 2 1 minus 1. I is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So what will become? See, this is 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 0 0 plus 0 into 0 0. What will become? That will be 1 plus 0 plus 0. Next, this one, the first row and second column. So 1 into 0 0. Okay, 1 into 0 0 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 0 into 0 0. First row, third column. 1 into 0 0, 2 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0. Okay. Now second row, first column. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 0 0. Second row, second column. Minus 1 into 0 0, 3 into 1 3, and 3 into 0 0. Minus 1 into 0 0, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 1 3. Okay. And the third row, first column, 2 1 are 2 plus 1 into 0 0 plus minus 1 into 0 0. 2 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, and minus 1 into 0 0. 2 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0, minus 1 into 1 minus 1. So what will become? You can check. That is 1, this is 2, this is 0, this is minus 1, this is 3, this is also 3, that is 2, that is 1, that is minus 1. Now check here. This is 1 2 0, 1 2 0, minus 1 3 3, minus 1 3 3, 2 1 minus 1, 2 1 minus 1. Clearly this is equal to A. So from here we have A into I is equal to A. Okay. Now I am going to check I into A. I is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and A is 1 2 0 minus 1 3 3 2 1 minus 1. Okay. Now multiply these two matrices. 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0. That will be 1. Now first row, second column. 1 into 2 2, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0. Add करेंगे 2 आएगा only. This one, this one. 1 into 0 0, 0 into 3 0, 0 into minus 1 0. Add करेंगे 0 आएगा. Okay. Now 0 into 1 0, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, and 0 into 2 0. Now second row, second column. 0 into 2 0, 1 into 3 3, and 0 into 1 0. Third row, second row, third column. 0 into 0 0, 1 into 3 3, and 0 into minus 1 0. Now this one, 0 into 1 0, 0 into minus 1 0, 1 into 2 2, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, 1 into minus 1 minus 1. फिर से आप चेक कर लो. दैट इज इक्वल टू A. तो यहाँ से क्या क्लियर हुआ? दैट इज a square matrix of order A, and from here you can see AI is equal to A, and here you can see IA is equal to also A. Means we have AI equal to IA equal to A. Clearly I is what? I is a multiplicative identity of matrix A. So from these examples I am verifying that for any square matrix A of order n, there will be an identity matrix of the same order n, such that AI is equal to IA is equal to A, means I will be multiplicative identity. Got it? Now Next, I am going to solve few questions from next exercise. Exercise 3.2. So everyone, open your book. Exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2, question number first. Exercise 3.2, question number first. Here A is given, that is 2, 4, 3, 2. B is given, that is 1, 3, minus 2, 5. And C is given, that is minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Okay. So find out each of the following. We have to find out A plus B, that is first one. Second one A minus B. Third one 3A minus C. Fourth one AB. And fifth one B. So I think that is very easy for you. Very simple. See its solution. तो मैं कौन कौन सा बता दूं? I am going to explain third one and fifth one. Okay, and rest of first, second, and fourth will be homework for you. Okay. Now third one is here. Third one is actually 3A minus C. So here that is 3 and A is 2, 4, 3, 2 minus C is minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Okay. So that will be, it will be this 3, the scalar multiplication of matrix, and this one is a constant. So when I scalar multiply to any matrix, it should multiply each element which contain this matrix. So 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6 minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Okay. Now that is equal to what? Corresponding entries will be subtracted. So 6 minus 2, 6 plus 2. 12 minus 5, 12 minus 5. 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3. 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4. So what will become? That is equal to 6 plus 2, that is 8. 12 minus 5, that is 7. 9 minus 3, that is 6. And 6 minus 4, that is 2. So that is your answer. This is 3A minus C. Now I am going to find out BA. B into A. BA. See BA. So here B is this one. That is 1, 3, minus 2, 5. And A is 2, 4, 3, 2. Okay. See, B into A. So first row, first column. 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into 3, 9. So first row, second column. 1 into 4, 4 plus 3 into 2, 6. Okay. Now second row, first column. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4 plus 5 into 3, 15. Minus 2 into 4, minus 8 plus 5 into 2, 10. So what will become? 9 plus 2, 11. 4 plus 6, 10. Minus 4 plus 15, that is 11. And minus 8 plus 10, that is plus 2. So that will be your B. Okay. Now next question. Question number second. Second में भी 4 parts हैं. I am going to solve question fourth of the second. That is fourth of the second. Exercise 3.2, question number fourth of second. That is, compute the following. That will be, that is, cos square x, sin square x, sin square x, cos square x, and plus sin square x, cos square x, cos square x, sin square x. Very easy. When we add these two, what will become? Corresponding entries will be added to each other. That will be cos square x and plus sin square x. Okay, here sin square x plus cos square x. Here sin square x and plus cos square x. Here cos square x plus sin square x. And we know that cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So that will be 1, that will be also 1, that is a 1, that is also 1. Okay? So that's very easy. Now, question number 4. I am going to solve question number 4. Question number 4. A is, this is 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. B is 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3. And C is 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, 3. Then compute the following. A plus B, B minus C, and verify A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. Okay? So that is also very easy question. So first we have to find out A plus B, after that find out B minus C, after that verify this one. So first I am going to find out A plus B. So A plus B, that is A, that is B. Clearly A plus B will be what? Sum of corresponding entries. Okay? So A plus B will be 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 minus 2, sorry, 2 minus 1, that is 1. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. Add corresponding entries. 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. 1 plus 3, that is 4. This is minus 1, this is 4. Okay? That is A plus B. Now find out B minus C. B minus C. B minus C. See, that is B minus C means this one minus this one. B minus C. So 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. After that, minus 1 minus 1. That is minus 2. After that, 2 minus 2. That is 0. Subtract करना है, corresponding entries को subtract करना है. 4 minus 0. That is 4. 2 minus 3. That is minus 1. 5 minus 2, that is 3. 2 minus 1, that is 1. 0 minus 2, clearly that is plus 2. And 3 minus 3, that is 0. Okay, so a plus b find out हो गया, b minus c find out हो गया. Now we have to verify a plus b minus c is equal to a plus b minus. So I am going to find out a plus b minus c. A plus b minus c. See, a की रिक्वायरमेंट है हमें और फिर a प्लस बी और c की रिक्वायरमेंट है, तो हमें इधर ही मिटाना पड़ेगा. a plus b minus c. So I am going to solve here. A plus b, this one, sorry, a, let us see, a plus b minus c, that is equal to, देखो ये आपका a है, ओके, एंड दिस वन इज योर b minus c. तो इसे और इसे, मतलब इन दोनों मैट्रिसेस को आप ध्यान में रखो एंड ऐड करना है. इनको क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. तो कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंट्रीज को ऐड. सो 1 plus minus 1, that will be 0. 2 plus minus 2, that is 0. Minus 3 plus 0, that is minus 3. 5 plus 4, 9. 0 minus 1, minus 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2, 1. Minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. And 1 plus 0, 1. Okay? So that is a plus b minus c. Now next one, a plus b minus c. तो देखो a plus b ये रहा और minus c मतलब c हमें चाहिए, तो ये हम मिटा सकते हैं, इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट अब हमें नहीं. Now find out a plus b minus c. a plus b यहाँ है, this one, this matrix is a plus b and c is here. इसमें से इसको subtract करना है. So what we have? See, 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Okay? 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 1 minus 2 means minus 1 plus 2, that is plus 1. 4 minus 3, that is plus 1. Now you can check. This is a plus b minus c and this is a plus b minus c. Okay? You can see the matrices. Their corresponding entries same. So that is same as a plus b minus c. This is a plus b minus c. This is verified. Okay?